I think nobody spoke, nobody moved, everyone were hypnotized by her performance. It was not just her performance, but also the accompaniments, the tabla, the flute, and especially the music, the voice of the person who sang those beautiful bhajans, with the lights, with the backdrop, and she just stood out. We saw Ahalya come alive, and I'm so glad that she chose to premiere it for our Kathotsava 25, and I think it will be an unforgettable experience for us and will remain in our hearts forever and ever. And Shereen, needless to say, she is just the perfection that Brahma explains about Ahalya, that he wanted to create a perfect human being and he created Ahalya, and I think Ahalya, the perfection, was Shereen herself. So thank you, Shereen, and thank you, Michael Harvey, for directing such a beautiful piece which none of us knew existed. So thank you for bringing the myths, thank you for reviving the myths, and thank you for this entire performance. Thank you.